If I need a friend when I walk in Nosunu, near Hoga Germany, in a man, even Morokpa, nobody. Now, no problem, American, not the Ben or the Bridge. Your friend when I can sit your Gana, Liliaria Verona, Mani Mesha City Organoje. And I don't let me Verona. My second man had the ticket, only ticket in that time, my period in Yanagli, I deported my where they be now. So the man had the time I where gave the case in Asia, yeah, return him with the Bayarigo me. And I don't want to say, I don't know at that I want return no more. Yake suwe, ubumare. The me suwe. The friend we try a worry, any yama, a worry, and I walk it. Now get the ticket ni. You give the ticket. We say the training ayare exactly when I get later. The training before training carry the one zekeve water. Ina wa je kegele ramu. Na wo oba no meto ho. Je kitalina iyara mu o mama so but when me destiny je o mama me na yara mu na o table na ni na te land of milk and honey iga seba iga he possession and I will hear it my inheritance ria zekeni kwa ina gelula we train ina we train anaga hia model and this here girlfriend me ye fun tie me fa avec control mi ya wari jene mi ya I don't have no movement document me gba but give me egwe ne you understand managa push here he say push oye me bani manado say border hostra oye bani na control this is my first time I kaejo because me la dia bo working ibe ye na hwara ba ye cheno here me pa so osalopo agi weni salopo na berine ona benya yuwe ona benya yove ibeka eveva na ya na avi ebugwe train me wage abogbalegbeyan wa lawe ya ene ya egelu ya tuwo me bonjono senior me na we bonjono documento passaporto e na riela dia na vio me la dia vio ya re ma o ya ibegi mi eri ya asma ya hu ya vi na we ya we di any proof we mo bia ni ya ina re na we we medical tabana we a document e va Italy di no ma me sojourno but a passport ma gwe me we passport ya load ina dorie sojourno hiya ina be dorie maya ya ibere wani na ita mama where you are welcome to Germany we ni e friend meti me o hamwe e ga ni ya vie document me ma iwa crossi the friend me iwa pick na na we je geo girlfriend me so o shati we background o sawese o pray me bo na nurie na destiny ho we ma e mi ro pa lo ho we wore mi ya ma you know me hiana baba donji e ho ya he Germany my city ro pa but e mi opa ni wa ho ge e Munich e ba ni e black yakpo me ma de sunu je Munich gwe Munich me but e Munich mana tuore beni ma ya tuore be don't you la don't you why if on yes
Don't J, you the list waiting that they tell you now.
Alpha blood.
Don't you they kiss the camera, you they shake your head up and down. God I
So
beg
yeah.
you. Make her calm down.
Alpha.
G now go egu yeah so everybody geledo ya located mena wa sunu yo ina we kaswe you understand eri geledo ya na do mame papa ni mami aso me gita mu we na bi aso ati ko de tu ebo ni memi ebo ko yo do mamo de ena imu marie e kaswe from kaswe city of ni akamu we la we ya ikedware is too God so me wa ya say is too God ni e ha mi ni megaje me iwa da se ma ti correct 2 weeks me wa ge ogbalegbe wa iya re ogbalegbe re iya wi agwa lo me gwale emo you understand meanwhile information ni men already where ni e ma ya mi meni ni me ya pa yo huyere yen na ya report in my police based on woman ni e gbasgbo ni e ka ya gbi me police na wo gbe me mule ne when if talo we ye gbo wa mule ni ya ka ya report so balẹ̀gbẹ̀ na go gbe me mule ne ye ya report ye na dinyeji balẹ̀gbẹ̀ gi daji o ma bo gi ti me ni lawowo ni rescue e ni ta mo balẹ̀gbẹ̀ gi ragbon imawu ni asia e so we take us sin no me ye gwe me might be o e inagele asa e kore e police iye asa police na no we iragbon ina wi waro viage mate oni gwa ina wa mata mi no mata iragbon ya wetin must ogwa because e mo gwe me de mo de okay na we de okay viage ina ka me na we ireje mi ogbalegbe na we ni wa gume gwa na e mo ki make money ma return back ina no gbalegbe na want to wetin ni ana return back o we mo pa bi omo ina we omo yen ga mo pa bi omo ni ma va gba koko bi omo o ka ma o se ka ma yen mare me ne yes ye ka mu we a gi yen mare me a ya we e o he na de to mare me ba ni me right ni agele avie mo le ama mare me so he me right bi me no ogbalegbe na okay if not the important the real life iragbon but ni amo e be ho any control that ba me be vital e be Germany yeah ti return me back ina problem ero ti de eri ya hange e ko so even na itoje me na imi na ni e based on na ka gbebe ni ya re capital so gbebe ka he you ere be vo be na gabagebe yegi ke na we 11 destiny or change okwo no ma te on de e mugu awe mugu no ya ge ni me gbe ni make so na planning e jo to we en pe nu ke wure o sa lo bagi gele we mi na ni no na re me la ti mo te talire e ya lagbe e jemi o sa lo ba na le ye we mu onwa 11 na baba donji other 1 year enya ya grant mo even level na imagine ka wa grant money here liability level imagine ka we level na we wo ye kede ni here liability level because ye ke ni kede e don weta mana ke na kede so ponu wete ni rie e ya de wo bo meko wo e Germany if you make ye ke e ado me gele mi we you only settle down ni mare or do a problem okay ni ya level na exactly when not about when ye na ha we ni mesinye la dia be media baba dame o eti awe ni we eti we but ina me mentality of exactly be no ka yen yo hu men yo ware but otani onu wa gu men no e ohwo ne wodo gele so eku ohwo ne gbegele ohwo wodo o gba keke nwu na ohwo ni afie mo no le a ele what understand me na ohwo ni afie mo no le so ina doare ma ire kapi yeje from there I think a doctor or trial, you get ready, no in your name. When you beg a get Germany, or might get bill or when you turn back, ya changing ya when you get in your one on that, will knock back. So, I'll get a book coming, and I want my go here, dear, when you go, I are, and I was 200. My do a cap in Anijana, when are you going to my recap? Boy, I need a little more of my. Os a laba no money or you be arrested and I went on your 200 go 200 ni ma wi na ko ya rie ba be u gbe kapi veno zeta senia day and I can we more bieku eni veno a bieku gbe iyeke agi mu die good level years u ka ma megi ma hia e try ne so nye na ti a try we wa he ya re o ze u o ma e pa ni metamu we na other 3 months zero ya na yo kan no hi Almighty stay. Ye mana hu so ye mana hu ye na. Ye na oni ya wi meko. Meke no sunu e mana dirty cat in Nigeria. Ye na te oni ye mi na ni ya wi meko. We right now eto wi ma upa na nya ya wo wo be. Mi wa no na ka so wa ni obo ni ka mo ene o. Ka mo ene papa na ka mo wo bi. So ni me na wa pa an opportunity. And now we are more no my fear because you never have fear on it. And I got the ticket away, and I let anywhere. A marriage. I take okay, the yawa bet you, I met Mr. My brother. We know how way. Only a problem in me, left wedding. Me one move on or many. A my leg bear. Or get married the woman. Then I cannot marry a ton of a destiny, ye marry a woman and your money, a mother, you only have a wherever, none other Nigeria, Nevada. Oh, a pastor. Not and I want him a destiny. You why not say a taboo? Who do I ever talk one? Is why not say what you do? I walk, my brother, where focus is your walk away. What ya fuck my neck and you stage you walk. You understand? Magize dwe me ma say yo jiku wo kieta me ma say yo na gele concentrate ne kweni gare because that young gele deport me o eni ma de yo be ni ya plan e o salobo audazi wa go sa papa ke ni me ma so di me ko ya ragbon but o salobo ma ko ye plan ni kere so no ga try ba we ye na ka di me asi ni we la dia medical eta wo emi asi la dia no we adesi o wa me o but no see any man away. He got the when you wear and no one what I wear or who wear he wear will be actually disturb Ejina. You're not going to fear more there. No, Baba Doji, and you know your jam is the whoop of Wolo Jenny in our war and your baggy rock or console. More fear monarch, I will use my chest. Yes. Niya for niya gele concentrate ya koke mona la de me et your salopuano. 11 years in Igbena, a man now you go ni ye or got 350 euro. 350 euro for 11 years. Every maybe we are here where we are here celebrate a birthday. Talk again here, Larry. Up another 100 the other year 100 the other year 150. Today, I think it's 5 years ago or 6 years ago. Never TV. A lady be go or go make go. No, that TV or better not what here. Or what because more fiku and your fiku. Ima kwe but tomorrow my life is Mr. my brother or is a wagon destiny was a woman I marry near who I be on me fanny or me with or wire or where do I pop no see they can imagine. You understand? And he's a dwe what no ni kere jemi mano iga ebe deny mana na eredo mi ye wonu gba no egie me ya kini go ne hotel hin iga ise hotel ni ya check hotel no we amu me wa ha na wati ko pa di no 70 something euro e ma na we yemi obe ini go yemi obe salary ni ana lo ye hotel 70 something euro although we me mam obe o kwa me mam se hotel we me gwa me gbogbo na ni ya me hotel e na ka me na we lare oh who go ya mana bi aro me life kwa na we wa ge na we boy who na wa understand me na first time you ya dey one because we ya me hotel who go wa me e u dey ina go my days when o my continue you understand me na e me na me kana wa wo geta evidence here ni ma ya gun abo keke na o my ko le say mo ti say o te no va no ya yin ya me e ya record ni forgot the ya gun so wa bege hangaga no ro eko emi hangaga ni ma ya kaka ki bu e ade o sulu meji e video na ni e dori ati jina e video na 3 years o jena ni ya we video na okay wa no kpia na wo wa me yo me mi wina una wa la mi dia me una ya gwa le video ni 14 years e bu bi adori ati jo e ma so anywhere when it am we na e ma so anywhere okay right now give gbera ni ma yare ma na o we bin block here na go me gbera hospital do baba donji oh we are not doing okay lie school meanwhile let me remind you when you take here pa yin tari le ile o document wo pa ma vi o irevo na e grace salopo aga no o salopo na ye ku me here e be certificate bi le egu me ogwe ina tie ma na ina mu ya no ka bogo iya no emi buni ya deny e mo na be mi so die me till today baba donji e man na refuse o mari me number 1 ina we boof number 2 o ye kan la school wa mo kan la school ya don't know where can era assign je can je assign je ina we do tama igiti ina ka me na we he o okay atama me o we before you came anything ya atama me ni ti obi shin ye not you anything obi shin ye not you ta o it's fine now imabe deny na ka we we stop we prove stop na gele mo fo igiti obi je ina ka ma obi je na wa yin me ni na wo ni egu mere ba ebi no ka ma me ni we ebi no ta mi egi yen gwa lo na fina o a proof that's the paper ni say the egi ina we don ni na one year problem now one that say na one year problem yesterday na of course e be not sign je mi o So we are getting school the next day no was school no secretary no vie benine because oye be wa wiki ahiri yo or hile ina gele o vi hani day na vie benine ina do snap egira baba donji he snap egira e deri gbe ogi je le deri gbe mana okia okoso iso o mana so wa oro wa o ha ge gun o egwa oro wa o ha gari sive ko bo e da se o ha gari sive ko o ri nwu na vanu o ri nwu na gberi amori ya mu e di o ya gun so e ga ni ya ka gun me ko na when he said there o mai so wa o ki so wa na megiti e o na igbegun me o wa hu e ma gun because so wa ne because of ha mi o e fon ha hia igi egun e na respect the decision guy imagine the stress you understand e da gi gbebo ku ye gi di fon na when he tie ma na we o bi o ha na di school eni ni ya wenu gwe Omasa Ogiravan wage wicked voice note in a man ari egun. Ogiwa voice igun we destiny you know what? Ya wa disappoint me wonona. I will disappoint you. O devil ni na disappoint you where Ogi tali ye ki insist yes yak pa yo hunyere. Ye ti release a document in a stranger. Ona yo ye a stranger. Ogita ina gie kwede wa gona. Wa fi gu me we are punish you walk over here ne. O hama me mu da so riri magbe kwa we obi o hana mana ti la school na bo be ni ya no e me na ake we auto shape donji e mana ma release a document ni obi o hana na gele mu e ni mo pa o da gele je ni mo pa ya la school e ra ma sign do they ha gagi me ma come back e mana ma sign ye e bo ye ani na bolofua ana bi aro exactly when no ka 2 years 3 years e give it ye nyeti aba bi aro egbo ibe la die ke no be religion ye ka ma egwe exactly bega mi no tabana we church ere church ya mi ono ma wa no ne church no koko for munu years ya mi o e am you a church a man of God and am you a church because e monu gbe bie u masa me ne moni won u masa me jinya to se u na fi ye ke gbe mo gbe na fi ge nitin gbe riri oboju temu never no magua etiko u gbe ni me no magua iwa ni me ke no ya temu we ni mi age public me ina tamu gbe na e church nu koko for many years that am here we this is just the beginning e ke na so ye na tama gbe iwu nu fi ye ke gbe ya gwaliyan ana me piku va giavere I love my children so much. I love my children so much. I don't use my children to play. I love my children so much. I love my children so much. I don't need too much. And I very a chance in I love my children so much. Maybe I'll call it better 2 days. Take baby TP Kani. No yet you lani ni. Ogwalo. Ni say destiny day. Not that you learn destiny. Ikunama kude. When you're not gonna let me quit, don't aga. Walking. Elani bo agwo no ate e ogo me ete emi obo what that start me na bo keke na o ma epe emi so ni gbe ka gbe baba for 11 years old na e ma ri e da community man na one day ni come we need assistance ogwo no kokko mo you obo here for many years emi so ki ye gbe ka gbe na tie e ma knock me na give me pa ni pass through la wo support me Ima wa fi anu but anything no but work by you need help. A period ni owie na block what's an owie na block Onata move your iti owie. Owe owie ohani we na omodion o me 16 years of jena. Oku ego omodion no what's an na be eva so pia. What's no view honey man go tell me many man go tell me hit me we work benny me go back to area na kamena la rena be ni mejena ana mu get Germany me ana the passport Germany by any me ni me mu gbe ile ni yawo do mana ye ho eni ho abia ku gbene iye kamu da ile ni yawo tiki who I do shuki we ni ata ma ni me go back ni me ya go back ibu we that remain single ide. Okay, when you come back in Buria, the work will be here. I live in a man of my yard and I don't walking at your work. So for the work where ye okay, you be a Jamie, no working at Italina, a man of God, a man of God, that Nikki, where when Nikki, no man can wish it. Who do I prophesy, man, without when Nikki? And I come and I ran a vision and I feel with the enemy, Mr. My brother. Focus ye fokpa yo bodo lo haji ya yo bo wa dole mi waji. Na nania okwo gbe je ekweku me okya ri me life. Okya le zeni me okya gba ogene e da hiye le dene na ginya wate mi okpa ni meje. Okya le ya me mo se. Because that ye mita ba uga bwe doji no aka me baby mama go me. Baby mama go me. Ugata utra ye u agie me gina we. O say na tama we na we sagi ma we no ga yin baby mama baby papa na boyfriend ni ki na go saga baby papa we baby mama man of God for that master church nya me we church we no yake with any we no be baro mebe ha wa go vara go vara through media na ya re church we de ho we kele hu aboa no matiosa no not your son no samati
Your a person have
So,
me Google.
calm down,
you
mama.
treat me like nobody. I treat me now. You want to make a noje. I'm not believe you get left me. I feel like you're just the truth. I mean, no solo me by anything. Who can the one on that you
We
can
no
spiritual?
mudi Alpha. What's no?
Mama was in way, I bet what calm down, eh? Mama Destiny, Lao,
Lenga baba.
wait up. You know, when who get us me mute. Moderator, me no understand you. But anybody will say they make no your mute. I beg. Wetin they say, I don't ask you now, say, make you calm down as a mother where you be. Ima unu balegbe, who that will vun we balegbe. You understand? Calm down. Even you only know when Otakpa, Egwu, sorry, Larry Mommy Destiny. There is a time, Garo, flash your mind back. A time, Garo, Nuya, Bulubili, man, hour. I told him, Mamma, he's not the only kid I'm moving like that, jam.
Oh, Baba. Tell me, ma. Do when you explain them, I will tell me. Tell me, ma.
Oh, no, with the name of me. I asked you again for the last time. Ik met jou gaan bien on respect my loyalty. Wish you know what I'm asking you again. And I asked you again for the last time. There's a time New York Bobby better hour. Not the Bobby you are.
Baba Donji. Demi na na gumemu ye video ube ke lik beta to ajoji o ki ari ama komeba e mana fuana ukme boga ifine
Anyway, no way. Calm down, mommy. Oh, my strike you where the first time who strike now you be the first way first strike I be like first strike you. That's what I'm asking you.
Isha, you know.
Okay, Mudia, calm down. When we always going no yari say calm down.
Okay.
Well, calm.
Okay.
Yeah, calm. Me no sunu. Mommy Destiny ask you again. O me time you are kimoto a. Una bubi okbana wa bi yeke.
Akabo idwoni.
Okay, I don't feel where you.
That me oga traffic here na be make no gata.
Okay, make bologa ata una vabio e ho.
Yes na. E me no gata no.
Okay, that means you are guilty. Meaning ukari toge mame bani. Woman can Bobby, when you are guilty. I know that Elisa is. Where's it? Calm down. Elisa, I know that all of now they are not soon be experienced people, but one person can go. Why calm down? You know, but I can make hand over to the house. Me, I know add your wife for you. A pastor, MOG. Man of God, are you there? Epa.
Doji la itemo tani ano my there I have the right to
Waiting not.
The Doji are not
Mudiane. Well, calm down. Now, I'm going to mute you so. I'm going to mute time again. Get what? Epa. Well, calm down. We're going to sing a mouse trot you way. Then we calm down. You only know what Epa. Epa, I want to ask you a question. Sorry to say loud. Epa, are you there? Monitor, if you are mute and beg.
That me moderator na mute me. So when he move there,
Okay, then Emma no whatever. Eh? What replying? Egi rezo ruda way. Iyan no bun o gegbe ake. Is it not? Eh. Emi ani yen ta kosenu gwe na fe emi ani wa ta kosenu gwe fe. Yes or no? Is it truth or lie?
Doji ya we no na. Oye na me we tiba we no.
Answer straight question.
Ume you no believe ya, Doji. Ume you no believe ya.
Eja orange is agwagwana. Ima emu ye no melaja.
You know.
Then
You know Jerry ya no believe yi. Ya suwe. Debe ya no tano na debe tano.
We calm down. Every ani yen talo e bugwe na. Is it a time, yes or no? A matter no, yes or no?
Everyone have bear me weakness. Ebe ya no talo ba me. Do ba me.
Okay, Obawe. Okay. First of all, I ask you for the first time. Because book out, but you know where uga okay, na bolo for. It's okay, muted boy. Don't worry. I will come after. Muted boy. Then, first of all, let's start for big fish. Big fish, honorable. If you know, say you get noise, you let us know. Bros, if you mute. If you know, say you get noise. Then let's start for Mommy Elisa. All the way from Canada. My chocolate. My blood beauty. Whatever.
I did, yeah,
I see you.
I feel well done. You don't want us to take it easy on this issue because if not, we for really give her hot. But still, I will still give her my little way. As bros they start the matter, say na help day for this sister that time. Say e not good to help, he help her. Then later he say na pity, ite marry or ite dey with her. He can pity her. For me, that was error, bad statement to use for partner wey born for you. Say you pity her because they not pour agege for your hand. Ama force anyway, whatever or me somehow you find each other attractive, or don't like the relationship, or don't hear boss whatever because I me teacher not failing. Nobody wants to admit is wrong, but we they listen. We don't know where matter they go. To be honest, for you to say you help her, later you say you pity her, and say where you say you want even come advise us. Now you pity like marriage, and at the same time as you dey judge they go. I never go with the lady talk. Now the bros so I did. As you dey judge they go, because he say you can't go they beg gun. Oh man where they help, oh man where pity. What reason would you go and beg that same person? When not come back. Oh man area pity no where. Oh man name on you not stop on according to how you explained your own part. So for what reason were you not begging somebody like that? And I mean, one man love your care, lawyer love your care, not love your care, and you were still foreign inside the UH where all the people don't they foreign. So the essay carry person picking go shook 5 years, make it block your womb for you for 5 years, and you they do the thing under your roof. Maybe they get conscience sometimes, so you understand? Hey, sweetie, that's enough. Mommy's talking. You understand? You can't block the womb for many years, and you they do sexeguanto as it a lot talk for the thing where everybody they shook put. You see they shook come, and you come in a public place. Sometimes we are judging. There are some things we don't talk, especially when we don't get children for this man or for this woman. There are some things we should cover. You come in a public where on a shook, lawyer shook, not shuki, and and they say help you they beg her. Okay, And at the same time, you also said that you dey carry your wife along for the matter. And this your baby mama come now say at the beginning she was not aware that you have a wife back home. It's like you played her. She was feeding you, feeding your in-law. And what we were at the end of money where that one you go answer us whether not true or not lie. And ex-wife you were no rowa. Ujo me o. Utome berame ogwoni. Because all your ancestors ya yo bokan we. Okbe anu we he ogwe nene mi kon vitali wodo. We be we live. Ancestors your bokan obiara na be we. I cannot wait for this kind of person. We got more conversation with we again. I can make you know say I be man. I just want the user wipe away time. So what it do total work buhe ota for how many years who can do maybe who can do ya more back or we are na we massage you do. Somebody will also helping her to massage out for you. But so we are saying on a daigbe or give we man patient we ma am I even well we ma beg. Uwe ayi only we la wabo kane mugo jwo une yaso no work because of her you decide not to take this woman serious for Italy because of that woman with theirs. You people in why so nire Nigeria no a wife eruwa gbeshetro with owo odafunwa nire webo and they will be using you people to compare ikonire webo iya monime iya wonona and the small boys or arrange wa stretch you wa we bed wodo. We know everything on every then wafi who wa ya ni rewe boy ko ni rewe boy karatia eri mani rewe boy bakara to wa iho ni rewe boy ni Nigeria ni lodge eri agba wa wen wa yala dan be hotel wala dia dafu wa rewe boy me no sunu wa spread wa twenye be different hotel. You understand? Where you play along go we come well worry honey viene mo bueno love your cap my love it when I always nice woman okay no I can't kill money well she did all that because you enjoy yeah mama ni osabo ade ba e ka boku egbe because she did well for me. You understand? So to our to your baby mama according to her too Kenimena Wakabo wa blame me for accepting you back for the second time. This is the mistake almost all the single mother are making. Or imiame, onado imiame. Umario Jawe the first one because Umario Jawe the first one according to your explanation, mama. You for not give second chance. Omokbaga anihi. You understand? So your second chance somehow we have to suffer, but the first one as your explanation, you suffer more. You understand? Excuse anywhere. Definitely over do aru worry where mokpa ma you only wa behave or dog where ya be hand wa relax. Then from there we were day okay. Work very when we plan it ye can do him where ye plan too. A reason on a do him away. A reason on our moving back with me. On a plan. Or sawa them side me or sawa them side David be and now come back in where Lare Apiene let's do this or let Omana sawa they don't know you. They don't care. Okay, abandon you were trying pregnancy. You were not the hospital. He was not there. You went and accept him back because of what? And the same man where you just say Emejo Bonoje or Waga Koke. Now you went back. Although I mean where they camp, you were even collecting money from you for fuel. You gave fuel, and you came back to that same person. Area ni me man work, a man even like for most women or dwekini. You understand? Even like that means me brother, despite the situation, that means what they okay or why according to you where every can where I enjoy because on my name is Bonoji, or Maglele were suffer with the first one. Where as a man supposed to do. Why did you go back? That's one. You were really wrong in that aspect. So I got me or miss keno no keno la. Accident is soon. The entire family is gone. What will you tell God? What will you tell God Almighty that created you and him? A bad thing in him, because so you shouldn't be hitting first, no matter what. But I hit you where, or where you come and found with defense, you have every right to defend yourself. Where ogbuwe una do teni muna threaten e o na de opia na de agege na muga ma wo ava ho ma na say why a defense in him. I have a good agree or we ka gbe obi of moto, no matter what he said. It's not a good thing. If anybody is here that is doing that, you have to stop. And the more moto we domo moji gbera bi very on it on my work. And then you know, and as a man, you should also do that. I love you, I love you. Do why I am good without hitting each other. Thank you. I mute for now. Thank you, Donji.
Wesley,
Thank you guys.
I really appreciate your judgment. Wesley.
I think we have one lady. No, we are Agwamba. Mama, you there? Hello, madam. Hello.
I'm here. Sir.
Okay, Zedo. Okay.
I'm going to talk about the aspect as mother because I'm a mother of children. You understand? So I hear the both sides. Let me woman for sister, my friend, who did very wrong. You did very wrong, no matter what, because we even make me very in it, you understand? Hey, we marry back where you know time away easy. Yeah, or can make them be vow or be more to fear. You must fight for them when one or that way. You understand? What they very wrong. I am not that. Try. You hot temper when you have to bring it down. I spoke with you understand? Me, what the magic? Or tell my brother for another make bass goes, but even at me when he have bought be so for my coffee. You understand? What we're not having for man. So let me come from the man part. My Gaza, who get a wire, in a wire. Oh, when I may or more who were treated, you know, honor when he hear it, we are fear. Viere. Ovioma or to in sit to protect him. No young man that one to live and lose a life for what I mean, Libya or Monuman. Yard different park hospital when you are coavie. Sit to take in a warrior. I'm a mother. You understand? Oh, we are not. We have to tell one. Now, support you no over your life school, no over your good education where whoever just school make you very proud. You never signed the document. You did very wrong again. Oh, what else who can wanna misunderstand you or what do my bill because they thought there are lots of story okay, but so you are way anything argument to come back man will come back why you taking it or when start the education or money. Nothing like that. Or need you work more error no. So not to opinion. On a portun, on a no opinion. Or to have a time I walk not you will not say the benefit. Who will me ben about 20 reject your money or go far away. I'm sorry to tell you this word. You never did as then my other money up to me where one where if I would pass on my debt to me at all. Okay, what about money guy? The petition will do error money will not do at you. Error in your boss. I was oh yeah, I see one at the one at the if you can one this year Okay, reputation where you know. The two mommy not time away. The family were a family. A family when you take time away. Wait, do that a big way or not. Did wrong, eh? You have that your money or apology. You need to go and apologize to children. You need to beg their forgiveness. We have had done here. You need to for forgiveness. I move on with your life. And because here people now bijawo aya gbuyale the same thing where we with onan with here no unless you were like we have who with on you understand then no kuno be Nigeria we have fi gbege we ere gbegbe agia ere ya love corona ojunu zayen ya ko na be bienu we na no bi mi pipe fa rube you ya zan oga you don't have no approach you have to learn as a pastor you have to learn when you have a manner of approach because the same no we have this and iko na iko be church wani we here preach ma bi ko le church wani. You understand? Mo ya ni tiera mo isa se me ran isa ya re bossa. De o at all okay money me what after you need to go and reconcile with your children you have a money na go make na ma wo no dey kina kinu because you did that wrong. What they perfectly right from the child. I know why opinion What's it pa?
Where's it, mama? Then back one. We have 3 women. Abi, yes, 2 women. Normally one. Mommy, my first daughter, all the way from Germany. The only one who is okra soup to the chop rice. Are you there? Uromi.
Dodgy, good evening. Oh, good morning.
My bestie. Are you there?
They fair Dodgy. Now you just use this topic tire person self. Maybe don't sleep, wake up. Oh. I know get what I want to talk because I not listening to the man's side, not only the woman's side I listened to. And which is the one when I listened to for the woman's side, it touched me well. So I go advise her, make she just suffer stay on her own and she just deal with her children. So make she forget peace of mind there. And you are so beautiful. So just focus on your life. The man, I not hear the man's side of the story. So I don't know I want to talk put Dodgy. I heard there make her the moderate for you, eh? Okra not day today, we not get okra soup Dodgy. Now tomorrow we want cook okra.
Okay, no matter. I believe you. I know what you can do. We still have one lady here. Over here, hello, madam. This one from your community, she got me here. You know they talk. Because they look me like photo. I been want to jump up for me. Make another person come up. I broke up people me la portable. Avec moi les wako. Avec moi. Ouais.
Papa, tu sais déjà bon.
Eh pastor we si we relax me du we sha du wa ma ya je mare sha du wa. Ojo ni sagwan. Pastor mu te gbo e.
Dojo, where's Una good evening, Abuna, good morning. Lisa, both are both your
Good evening, my sister. You're welcome.
yeah. Dojo Penike listing see. Well, Okuna Gwa, boy, na me where a story motor. You understand me now? So,
we carry me born
Orimegbe Oruwegbe, Elena Bona.
Ana ya kama kodi. Eri aregbe na wosa, eri aregbe na siosa. Aregbe o. Aregbe gioma. Amata ukmukin. Carry on.
My sister, I would like to hear you well. you have to let some things go because the way you are, when we are, you go by know your pain, know what you are passing through. So you don't go your way at night. You understand me now? So for that aspect of it, you have to thank God for your life. You understand me now? So another thing for a pastor you are about Google. When we know he be laughing now, ukpokpo na agbèjà life na agbèjà wo, also gbé mi laughing now. Number one, my brother, where now more birth certificate in it, that is very, very wrong. Oga Germany, my brother, a rat were 50% right to work around me, where in the now money birth certificate in it. Where here, that is number one. Number two, on morning we what block who we on morning we what block who we ya we no ma uzo mo aho mo ya we ran on. Is we no block you. Put a threat. Una is not the boy in mind. You prove it when and is time she's right. You understand me? When we are working on with the no send of women, because the day I work man do by me, I know where I'm worrying. Beg of Okani, you were any. Oga, very majority, and now we may be rest 6 years. He may yes, time enough. He will beg a girl home where you. You understand? This is what we are talking about many men. I said we so well. Woman was your word of that. Woman was your word of that. I'm an Allah, having a boy here. You understand me now? My sister, in case of next time, yeah, well, we man have to pour and go. Uri again no talo. You understand me now? Because when you mention, oga, when ok me and wawa egbaro na no do anu do atalo with social media very around. Some men will not like it. You understand? You tried, you done a lot. Salo baye mudiami. So salo bani oye vi mudiami. So let this man go, let it go. Ono you got talo kage is joy because it's a frustration, you know. I know Saloba wants to bow with work. That's the advice I just have to say. You understand me now?
Mr. Donji, don't
Who be that?
attain destination. You understand?
Destiny.
So,
Okay, your team mama. Okay.
yeah.
Bros, Domo.
That Donjuna, good evening, good morning.
Yawa domo wa bota.
Eko better, koyo.
We see
Ekwa horoforo.
we see we ya
Hello, Baba. Anihi, rakitli ni here.
Samu you know.
Hey, Baba, Apa.
Adeo.
God bless you.
Pastor Uti Egbo on another Pupoma who Asia, you know, yeah. You understand? So for years we don't even know if we have sister like this. Not the sake of where okay I'm married, but we don't even nobody we are not call you a family or where I worry where I batter. No. So by the time I have a phone, she look where she Odao for the past how many years now, or go stronger life for here. So please, a pastor to him, pray for yourself and the children of anyone. Don't use your own to spoil our own again. For God's sake, as a pastor not working, you understand? Focus on your own life. Let her focus on her life. I have always swung be on my dad. If you want to check on your children, try to find me to check on your children. Leave my sister alone, okay? Because what woman, I'm very I force you. What woman will who to extend you now for years. Okay, you make her to not even know if I said or I made they know what they achieve in their husband's house. But this lady, you make her to you want to use that to miserable her life, but nobody asks you. She have family. She have family, many in the Europe side, if you don't know. But nobody don't know what type of a DM we are. So now she's already moved on her life. And when you go to Kaiba or go you will discourage that man again. Please focus on your own. When you do saga social media about you are. No. So leave her. Please. If you want to check on your child, try to check on your child. Okay? Leave her. The character you make her to exhibit when she was with you. Please let that one. That one is already. By this time, forget about that. Because even now where you packing here. We been work no agreement go we moto. You know it was but don't you know where kai gbo be there. Ona where why so why da come here. O balon here ya fi. Ona where but don't you like my way no. On my day kai fi there. Ona where we drive again no go talo. So when sometimes my yaki gba oku or you no ata mo wa. All you know me you put fear. You understand? This is a lady we don't have mother, don't have father. So there's always maybe a life of no because of where it's of no use to you. It can't do anything. You understand? So I don't think a man support the actually work Bobu was driving here, but before she now react to that extent when I went to a driver Bobby, it's not really easy. Even when you are talking West, have you even man who are getting go as a mother? When we cool. Because where Omi Yama have no real so talk. You understand? No pakata. The first one come move. She's a could be now. She's on our here do could be no move. She don't take. On our working only a big try second time. We do mama mama. So but since I try first one, mama said man, I'll give you a chance. So let her be. Focus on your own, focus on the children of anywhere. Stop propaganda her name, stop bringing her name to any of your platform, any of your social media handle. You understand? Because of where we are going is a problem. Where you are a big partner, so they talk, now you call the time say, you know, women we react to what we hear mostly. Now we react to. So Baba Doji I talk we don't warrior. We say Baba, I really appreciate the way you give my sister a chance to explain her feelings. Mr. Pastor, a pastor is Nigeria. Do you remember pastor? One pastor, pastor, started doing fornicating, doing different things. In my Bible, so please leave my sister alone. Yeah, allow even if you are where sir. Whatever I will say.
Ouais, c'est dommage.
Mommy,
I don't wear I mean no guano with Yahoo. Then even now mon say lo utame. Uda we no do ma mi e wo donye mega so e kun la gbe magwan. Ze we no gie. Come mommy.
Wa ya wa bota o.
Ma toi.
Ranji, o wese kakabo.
Every money came with an library, don't you? A money one while
Eh?
me request what you drop young one here in a month start the money run with one. I
Ma
you
se de
boss
cocher le
now.
do na. Wa gbe mo le sa to re.
According to Oteme na ni do here because he waro to basin here. Even egane no wati e pastor yakari agun asin jeberewa. When me okpa wa gun na e do ya bitan we enu e ga uwe ge wo mai. Ume wa okweti wa ragbo we eko wa voin. Owo bia no ri yen jo wa yen wa gege mu jan yen gbo bi. E lafi na o me ke no ko zin gbese. O me ke no ko we mi se. E dero salo bagari etine emi evanu. Awe gagbele gbo na ri e yimi ni. Whether my vakoko ba na wa atamu saloboa. Ube bieto no gboko ego da ego dieke according to we no ta we in help the woman we no go help ma and what egbi agbon no so no mi ni yan ya atam pe yan we ga mu we for bia be ro no mu we egbi agbon na o we no ni ya ga mu haju gbo we ga mu we for bia be ro no mu we and we no ko wa mu ha be go bia be gele ro no mu we ti we pa ne my sister u bege be nu wa edenu pa edenu salo bo disadi we de pa o wodo na na ta we uma mai gbo a u we di o do anything back in no ja gbo a
Adia mama wagbon okuoni ya ige okuoni destiny okuoni ya te ya meet up o destiny okuoni ya te ya ma iya gegbe okuoni ya ready ni ya dori ti batin ni ya frustrate okuoni and osalo ba ya kuwe because we wa ladia si enya according to no ya ladia will no work ayin we o ya we ma mu gba bu o we oluwe te frustrate okuoni nu gbe ye he obo but osalo ba ma kuwe jo still yet a punishment in umeno una le just biwe egbe yagbon e koke mo lenu ati yan si yan le ki yan koko bete dele na yan data yan we de donji me ni ti batin no believe no viola dan o vin no ko vin my brother egbe na ka wa ni le devil wa wicked say no one devil don't ya beg because this matter no son of ya do gwe man agwo akoso wa kyan we
we see we ya gwane
What's the
oh no
because this matter no son
oh it's okay modern be the meet all of them imala kinamu plani wa me gboto o you know see uda we won me da me wo wa o be do be do hin o plani we iwo ma o wizabi wahala yo wa e ma em ni ye me ni aka the wise man yare ma o devil o da se mi yo ma ami wa ne ro egbe ami no ka wi yin ka me bagbona ami wa ne mistake bagbona adade mi wa ne mo otako e donji ota e ma na e pastor na e ma ona tie bone the platform me kaso kava make anybody no refer any bad comment give this man he get well and number 2 my boy yegbe another have is my senior I respect my senior e ma ona anybody tie bone o devil o kona obienene be na respect o money I really respect Romona. Dege, ala ido kawe na do jojane na do wonane. Ele nyok pano rien change. Change ni destiny. Change ni mele donji. Change ni wa na mana. But emi ma u. I said to o wa nyenye. U da we bi ake balome. Emila we be ni vula ni wose ni woni owe ni so weko na gboma woni odin ese. Awe me dey yo. No gba no ran re aran. I'm a peacemaker. Your message man, it begged me for not by material ne or even no. Material ne why now we no now we Instagram cause me no time man you know. But what gaka foko tile ho. Why tie boni man na why gwe ne ama no I know anybody not try man. You get where. Okono ga okwu ona re are ma anybody not to try ne ha. O devil okuna bienene. I respect your money. I respect it right now. Omaro no we no so na. Yes. Omaro we no so na. Ogina. Ikwa when you no tell me be a treating ya. Ebiu. O bi are ka we be lo ko ya treating ya. Ebire o. Ami on name mistake bagbona. Amakona nwa. Amakone amwa. E ban ye we e ben degbe. E ben degbe wa we we montage una relationship. Una marriage. Treat your man very well. O there we man ga pase where. He will come and look for you again. Cause you know why? He cannot keep bani. Or na man say. According to the J for actual verse 11. Or where a stone when he beat that rejected will be a she cornerstone. It will come. E not say na mi egbe sa meji na mi na TV. Who that we call egbe asan. Oh, we don't say one no. My brother, ya me ku. No do ka we do mu mi ya ne. No go have me. Have me we kenije. Ito ma we. E egbe kan ho. E wa re me ku we. Wa gitu. E tama we get born wa fe wa banana. Wa wan me before one more to so an ne. Mo promise you we. E we ti bata. Obana soon dey go live video for 1 year. But the only time I was ever no one you know mute. My man here agua. E pala mi on mute la wo domo. Là où? Are you there, pastor?
Doji koyo.
Obey, OSA. Obey the yard you know now.
Somebody
Because
bawe.
OSA, turi, Oma me go no rie me. Mo pa no rie me. But ebi ni only car you orion. Here we call it disturb you. I do answer me one question. Ebi ni only time I went. Ko na. Emi ame no le ki ma. Ani hu e. Ko we na disturb we. Umi ole wa ma no we. Una treat a mommy destiny bad. Una gele work or. Una gele work or. E man only ke do tie me. Where that doji lao o. Gawa be mi amana. Na ba ko gbe wan so option gba de mo ti ma de che mo re ba nobody sort you here. E mommy destiny. Una gele treat bad. They call we gele wo money ko. Ye ko dey poison. Mami ta na we anybody not to be any ha. You want to na vampire ya. Yeah, we are watching we go na. Mo ti e bono we because the platform me na. O la wo. Ipa ye mi anwen. Zero mo bone hinu e. Respect me, my loyalty. O wa wo offend oko na. Imi oko na we wa fi we here. O do gba o money. But we won't necessarily come back to devil. Who that way not pan ayi. Who have you know where you want to live by or do not treat a bad. How would you tell a bad? No, here, who ya aim your money. What aim your money? Who ya jagwere your talk? Who jagwere your talk? You don't your attack. Go and beg your picking. Yes, who the way I aim ya well lao, I didn't offend you.
Doji, Byron video. Ewo ge no obota. We explain my we no ya sunu e.
We mudia.
Sunu, we no get document ya sunu e. Wa ma no me.
We mudia ne. We si egbe. We didn't know what to na. Me no mo boku we ko an. Then we get na ya. Me irrespective we as an elderly man. E ma o ni ma de gbe o ye ke, ma re di ma de ye ke. Okay, I need to make document you. I'm going to document you. I don't know if you here. No. Even no soon.
But am I believe in now? Am I believe?
Oh, that where is how am I believe? Dega, am I believe you? Am I believe you? But oh, salo bakba. No ro duhun. Then oh salo kumanya no de rik bakba. Oh e kena mela la vient beau. Que non ritorio, que non matoro, que non te matao. Then that your son so or money. Yagba or money.